In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change initials in DocuSign. With DocuSign, you can easily customize your signatures and initials to better reflect your personal or professional identity. If you've been using the default options and you're looking for a way to personalize or update how your signature and initials appear, this guide will be invaluable for you. First off, let's navigate to where these adjustments can be made. You'll need to start by accessing your profile settings. At the top right corner of your DocuSign account, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Profile. This will take you into the deeper settings of your account where we can make the necessary changes. Now that you're in the Manage Profile section, scroll down until you find the Signatures section. It's here that we can start personalizing your signature and initials. You'll notice an option to edit your current signature or initials. By clicking on Edit next to them, you'll be transported into the interface where the magic happens. In this interface, there are several customization options at your disposal. You might decide to go for a font-style signature, which allows you to choose from various font options that best suit your style. If you prefer something more personal, you can draw your signature and initials, allowing for a more authentic touch. Alternatively, if you have a pre-existing scanned image of your signature or initials that you're particularly fond of, you can upload that image in formats like PNG or JPEG. This option is perfect if you want to use a signature that you've uploaded from another service or created on paper. Once you've made the desired changes and you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is a crucial step to ensure that all the adjustments you've made are implemented the next time you sign a document. Now, let's say you find yourself in the middle of a signing session and realize you're not satisfied with your current initials or signature. If you haven't completed the signing process, you still have the opportunity to make changes. Simply left-click on your signature or initial field. If this feature is allowed on the document you're handling, you'll see a Change or Clear option. This will enable you to adjust or reset your signature or initials on the spot, ensuring everything matches your preference before you finalize the signing session. By following these steps, you'll have the ability to personalize the way you represent yourself in DocuSign, making your documents not only professional, but also uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you tailor your digital signing experience more to your liking.